Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for the Mercy Tiara Kit Club design team. And guys, this is my first layout I'll be doing with this. And I'm just like, where do I start? That is my question. Where do I start? There are so many great pieces in this kit. Now I do get the add-on paper pack because I learned my lesson, didn't do it once, and I am still in the middle of ruining the day that I did not do it. Now, we've got Paige Evans in here. There's crate paper going on. There's Echo Park, Vicky Boutin. Am I missing anything? Ooh, I'm feeling Cartabella and oh, Paige Evans. So there's great things. I do have a complete unboxing. We have got these great acetate pieces from Vicky Boutin. We have got Sugar Plum Wishes goodies from Paige Evans. I have to sneeze. Excuse me. So many pieces of gorgeous paper. We've got a 6x8 paper pad. You guys, look at this. There are thickers that are puffy, foamy, chipboard frames. Oh, but wait, there's more. And we have a mixed media kit now. There's a mixed media kit now. I'm so excited. I'm oddly, freakishly excited. That's what's in the mixed media kit. We have got these gorgeous matte gold enamel dots. The cutest little paper clips with hearts on them. We've got, I think these are Doodlebug doilies, I think. And a confetti mix. So I have got too many good things, yet I'm happy about it. I am not sorry about this situation. Okay, so in the interest of full transparency, I have this photo of my son when he was quite young. Necklace on, I'm going 9th grade. This was our cat at the time. The cat dumped us, moved across the subdivision. It's a true story. His name was Carlos. Anyway, super cute. I opened this kit. My son's shirt matches perfectly. Great. Now, I also knew I wanted to fussy cut this out. Guys, look at this. It's back to back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fussy cut out one. I'm going to use the gutted piece in the center to map my photo. Then I think I want to cut out more of the pieces and make it a really full wreath. So I'm going to basically fussy cut out 2 sets of them. Great. And then we have to figure out together. So we're going to have blue. We're going to have a really foofy wreath. Great. What do we want to put it on? What do we want? Now this is nice because we have the blue as well. And these are Vicky Boutin, by the way, and this is Echo Park. But y'all, what a color matcheroo. We have that. I kind of want the background to, not be super bold because I'm enjoying the idea of this wreath really popping. But look at this. If I put it on this Christmas flora, which is a little more orangey, it's okay. If I do that, this will really pop out. And what I can do is I can grab my new stencils. These are the Vicky Boutin Peppermint Kisses stencils. Hello. These are our 3 options. I can actually grab like a deeper red that matches my berries and go around through my stencil and bring more of that red to the background. Yes. So I just have to go through my reds. I'm going to grab Distressed Oxides. I don't know if it's going to be a lumberjack plaid. I have no idea. No idea. I do know that I'll be fussy cutting out these bits for about 3 years. So that's my first plan. Now I also want to see, I have some punches that are a little bit wimpy. I want to see if they'll be able to go through this or if I have to get them through a die because this is really sturdy. I'd like to make a couple of stars. So guys, I have some plans. I'm going to pop on a nice holiday movie while I fussy cut and I'll meet you right back here. So quick note, they popped out with my punch perfectly. So I just punched out 5, should probably punch more so I can use them in other layouts. Now, the next thing I wanted to do, since I know I want to bring out the green and the red in this, I'm going to go ahead and just mat it on this piece right here. And I think I'm going to go ahead and put a really quick kind of messy sewing stitch around it. I think that's what I want to do. So I'm going to cut my red piece to 11.5. No biggie on that one. And do a really quick stitch around it. And then I'll do all that fussy cutting. Just thought I'd keep you updated on what my thought process is with all these things going on. You know, because it kind of is ebbing and flowing a little bit. But it's fun. Now, I do also have a sketch challenge I have to get to. I love when Tracy gives us the sketch challenges because it gives us this jumping off point and it's like, boom, your layout's done. So let me fussy cut for 3 days. I'll be right back. I grabbed some Distress Oxide and I've done a pretty messy job. Guys, this thing is so cool. With just getting a little bit of ink through the stencil, bringing that deeper color on this orangey red so that it totally works. Now, what I didn't see before, the color that is like the shine part of the berries totally goes with the original background. And now I'm adding just a little bit of a deeper tone. Not even making sure it matches up. I'm just making sure that we get like a little something in the background. Totally tone on tone, and I'm loving it. Now what I would like to do is grab another one of our stencils because, you know, just why would you use one when you can just keep going? I'm thinking this plaid one, and I'd like to do a little bit of work with this Bow Bunny stencil paste so we've got this really great glow behind it. Now, here's the issue. I have to try very, very hard not to go too heavy because this is a total situation. Look at how pretty that paper is, where you can go too heavy and like, you can go too heavy in like, you know, not a good way. So we're going to try really hard to behave is what we're going to do. Now, if you guys watched Tracy's video, she said that we had to get, you know, she's the boss of me, like for real. She said that it was good to get like press and seal for these little pots of things. And I just haven't remembered when I've gone to the market. No, I have not. So I'm going to do stencil on stencil. And so if I go like this, I basically know to kind of go in the outer area just a little bit. And I'm trying to do a bit of a perfectly imperfect amount of stenciling. So what I mean by that is I'm going to just grab a little bit, pop it on, and then see how it looks, and then do the next amount. Not super concerned with getting on in that center bit because I will have a wreath around it. And I'm just going to keep going. I just want some on there. Guys, I'm going to be loading up with leaves and all kinds of things, but this will give me a chance to get some of that gorgeous gold. All right, y'all. So I have this piece fussy cut, and then I did go ahead and a little tighter, I fussy cut these other little leafy bits without taking into account all of these pretty little limey green pieces. And this is my very messy version of, guys, it just got sunny outside. My very messy version of using our gorgeous stencils with the Bow Bunny, what is it? The stencil paste. Guys, this stuff goes on like butter. And did you guys see this fab metallic-y gleam you get from it? So I love that. Now, my photo, I went ahead and backed it with some of that blue star paper like we talked about, right? Which is actually was the inside of the wreath because, you know, why waste? And then I went into our Vicky Bouton Peppermint Kisses and I grabbed a little piece of pattern paper that was just kind of like a charcoaly black gingham. And I thought that worked because it brought out the colors in Young Carlos. All right, I have it popped up on just a little bit of foam, right? I want to pop my whole wreath up as well. I'll have this guy. But then what I was thinking, you know how I have these pieces? I want to pop them up. I want to tuck them in. I just want my wreath to be a little bit more bumped out and thicker. So I thought that would be a super cute way to do it. Rather excited about tucking that in. I told you all my little stars punched out really nicely. It turned out my punch was like for thick materials. Who knew? Then, let's see. I've got my adhesive starter pack from the Kit Club. And I have that handy dandy because, you know, I like to pop all these little elements up. I'm just going to have to pick, which is going to be a little difficult. So let's see. I'm very Vicky Bouton-y so far. So I might start with some of these branches coming out as well. I think that would be so darn cute. So let me get these things tucked on. I want to get my holly and berries tucked on, but guys, like, look at that little piece. What else do we have in this treasure trove? And bear with me because I just got a new desk for the first time ever. I've never had a new desk. I know. Such a big deal. Ooh, that one's pretty. So I am getting used to it and deciding where I want. Love this. Oh, that is a big honkin' branch. I'm deciding acetate where I even want to have my filming surface because, you know, we have options now. It's very exciting. So I don't really, oh, there's another star. I don't really need snowflakes per se on this one. We have stars and branches, kind of going with that vibe. And, you know, we'll just see how it goes. Of course, it's my son, so I can always do all the hearts I want in the world. But, you know, I already punched out stars, so it is what it is. Joy, oh, look at how cute. So cute. And then when I have a snowflakey layout, I will be able to go over the top with that. So this is kind of nice because I can even cut little bits and tuck. Bits, tuck, yeah, I don't even know how to speak. Okay, so I'm going to grab even some of these branches that are a little too big. We might be able to tuck them. So let's just grab them all out. And then we've got all the stars. Okay, so I'm gonna tuck, put all of the things in. Guys, this little acetate piece, you can't even see it well. You can see it better like this. It's so cute. So I'm going to tuck, I'm going to use my little foam bits, all that kind of stuff, and start building this up, and I'll meet you right back. Okay, so I have built this up, and it's fun. There's all these layers with the vellum and the acetate and the extra wreathy bits. Isn't that just downright fun? It's just fun. I've got my photo on here. So before I go much further, I think it's time for our title. And I think I'll go with gold right here and just write Very Merry, I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'll go ahead and pop it on my ruler, and that will be good. I haven't even put in any stars in it. Guys, I pulled out all of these stars, and I'm thinking I might just put in these fun little red ones because my wreath is incredibly full. So these little red ones will be fun. Just kind of tucked in and sticking out, a nice kind of repeating element situation here. So we've got that. 1, 2, 3. I want to get 5 on here. Really liked this little glittery paper. And it's funny because it's usually not my jam, but you give me the holidays and give me the sparkle and the gold and the silver and all of that stuff just starts working for me just like immediately. All right, those are all kind of on the outside. So maybe should I follow suit with doing more of an outside kind of thing? And then this one can be right here with the title, I think. Maybe right on top with the title. I just don't want to waste this cool piece. So let's go ahead and tuck it a little bit better. We'll have this right here and we'll have Very Merry down here. Phew! Then guys, all we're going to do after that point, because there's so much on here, And hey, do you see how the gold in the background is kind of calmed down now and just peeking through? It's just one of those fab things. So I'm going to be able to come in next and just do some sprinkles with our confetti and our gorgeous little enamel dots. And then this is going to be done just like that. I so love how full this looks. So let's start taking a look at this. Now we have this Paige Evans sticker, like foam stickers, and I love them. I love them to the point that I had to buy another sheet because they are so fantastic. I'm going to grab even more of these red stars. You know how I have the red glitter? Now I'm going to have red metallic and get them sprinkled, you know, wherever, here, there, and everywhere. Did I grab them all? Do you guys see them? Did I grab all of the red? Yes, I did. Okay. So I'm going to keep going. I am just kind of haphazardly trying not to be too intentional with where they are. Now I have stars on the outside, so I do like the idea of maybe getting the smaller red stars on the inside. How cute. Okay, that's so cute. Remember I said we're gonna put these on, but those are our finishing touches. I'm looking at everything. Come on, look at how cute. They're so cute. Now I do have, oh, and by the way, these are the Vicky Bouton Ho 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 pieces. And guys, I know my lighting's different. I don't even have light on this right now. We just have what's coming in from outside. We're just seeing how it goes. Okay, so we've got this. We have a couple of these little branchy bits, and I think I'd like to use these as well, guys. I love that Vicky Bouton gives us, when we get, oh, that piece needs to be stuck down. When we get her thickers, you get all of these bits that are embellishments. It's so awesome. So no big deal, just tucking them in, having more interest, more of a vibe. I have a vibe going on. It's fab. Okay, so at this point, time to sparkle, home for the holidays. Maybe I'll put a couple of wordy bits on, because I like this black and white. My only question is, will we even see them because of the kind of chaos of my wreathy explosion? All right, time to sparkle. I have home for the holidays because we are in our family room, filled with joy. Look at his face. That would be perfect. He's like, yeah, whatever, with me and my pictures. But you know, it's like he was in middle school. You know how special children can be at that point. So I have that, and then the title. And I think under the title, Very Merry, I think I'll do 'Tis the Season. So I will have a nice little visual triangle with that right under here. Perfect. So guys, I'm going to get a little liquid adhesive on my title because, you know, chipboard likes to squirm, and get a little bit of my confetti mix. Where's my little, yes, my very exclusive little container I use, also known, it was a little condiment tray at a picnic I went to. Actually, it was a gender reveal. Anywho, I'm going to sprinkle some of these, probably just the red and the green, because I'm not really bringing pink into this one. And some enamel dots, guys, and I'll show you my finished layout. All right, y'all, I have some of those pretty little confetti pieces here, there, and everywhere on my wreath, as well as those gorgeous enamel dots, guys. We need like 50 packs of those, or maybe those should be in every single kit. This matte gold is stunning. It is a stunning color. I think I had just seen Janet on RTS saying if anybody knows where they are, then let her know. Janet, they are all hiding at Tracy's place, at Mercy Tiara's place. So that's what I have for you guys today. Super cute layout using all of these goodies. This was super fun to do, guys. My next layout will be using the sketch of the month. I can't wait to get started on that. I will have still shots to follow. There will be links down below for the Mercy Tiara kit website, so you can get your hands on these goodies, as well as a Facebook group, so you guys can come hang out with us and jump in the challenges, show us all of the projects you're creating. And I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. I can't speak, with another video. Bye for now, friends. Still shots right there.